First day outside, checking it out.
They're all staying together.
Staying close too, that's good. If they start running off, put them back in the bucket. We ain't got nowhere to put them yet. We'll get that figured out this weekend. Oh.
We'll have to keep track of this one because he just wanders off.
Probably a rooster, dang it. Hope none of them are. I hope they're all hens.
And if they are all roosters?
They're not all roosters.
Probably. Probably only like one of them is a rooster and the other ones are fine. Go with your family.
They're going to follow the big yellow duck around.
Yeah, that one just started picking up the grass. Go on. Go on. Oh, sorry. Go on.
Alright, keep track of them. Let them pick around and the chickens will get bugs and stuff. Well, there ain't no bugs yet, but they'll peck around.
Just in case it just started going over.